Hello, everybody. Today I'm going to share you a book called Human Body Theater by Maris Wicks. I found this book actually in the library right here, and I thought it was really, really interesting. The book is about a human body walking through different life cycles and the cycle of a human body. And it does that through a play. So there are different acts or chapters, and each act, so the first act is the skeletal system, and then act 2 is the muscular system, and act 3 the respiratory system, and so on, ending with smelling, taste, hearing, sight, and touch. The book is really interesting. It gives a lot of facts, but it's also entertaining. For example, in the skeletal system, it goes, thank you, and there's claps in the head. As you know, I am a human skeleton. Now, if you were real life and not some silly play, I would look a lot more like this. But would you really want to keep reading if I looked like this for the rest of the show? And he's just in a pile of bones. I didn't think so. Though, the magic of pen and paper, I can be standing, talking, dancing. Boo, skeleton. Okay, fine, no dancing. For now. But I'm gonna tell you why bones are so bony? No, important. Bones are underlying structure for the whole human body. When you look at the complex thing that we humans build, you see how important an internal framework can be. Without their underlying structures to support them, these objects would look a lot like me when I was a pile of bones. Totally useless. Our bones work in a similar way. Take a look. So it just gives us a picture of how a house has a skeletal structure that keeps it standing, and same with the car. So it gives a lot of information. So if I go to the next page, there are 206 bones in the adult human body. And then it gives a picture of the bones, and then it names each bone, which is really interesting. And then it gives examples of the largest bone. So I'm the femur, and I'm the largest bone in the human body. And you go all the way down here. I'm the stapes, the smallest bone in the human body. And then you can find me in the ear. So I like this book just because it's kind of like a cartoon, a comic, and it's in through a fun but educational way. You could put this in your library in the science or health section, or what I think I would do is if you're doing a unit on the human body, I would read each act. So like the skeletal system, I'd read it and then go more in depth with the students later on. So, Human Body Theater by Maris Wicks.